Hello boys and girls, welcome back with the third puzzle, a binary puzzle in addition of today's newspaper on Thursday, November the 9th, 2023. Already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku, so two puzzles are left. The tectonic with 4 stars, aka Jigsaw Sudoku, and the binary, yes, it's binary time. And this one will be number 7420. 7420. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 14 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Alright. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1, double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And here we have 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between the ones comes an O. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, that's a quick puzzle to solve. 2 minutes, so I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle, the tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.